Welcome to Hollywood.
It's Universal Pictures.
Yep, we're at Universal Studios, and
You can take view of
Diana looks very happy. So
maybe we can go to this side.
you want to go to the other side? Let's start over there, because that's the end of it. And actually, the park is over there, right by that globe. So we can see if they have a good half-day deal or anything.
I imagine you want to go to Crossing.
Palm trees? Yep, none of those in England. Look at Diana and the palm trees. Palm trees. Yep, we're definitely in California. Have you ever been to an oxygen bar? You just breathe oxygen and it's supposed to make you feel better. Nope, not really. Too weird for you?
Yeah.
I've never tried it either.
Is it some kind of smelly? It's oxygen
It's oxygen
with some smell.
with some flavor. It's flavored oxygen.
Wow, I want a picture with that.
You mean the globe? Oh yeah, the globe.
I like it.
And here is the entrance to the park right here. So if you want to check that out, you can. Of course, they don't make movies there anymore. It's just the park now.
Is
But
it like different stages there or what?
no, they all moved away a while ago. This is just the remnants. They used to. Well, there's still some buildings where. Yep.
You can pass across and make a picture.
Okay.
So, you do not have to wait in line at those flashing red lights. Ticket booth windows are only for buying new tickets.
Picture?
Yes, you can see it.
If you have a ticket already, take a look at it. If it says, this is your ticket, well, that's exactly what it means. It is your ticket. That means you can go right down the red carpet to the entrance. Something that does confuse a few people, it might say bring to the turnstile.
okay.
You can find the turnstile at the entrance. So if your ticket says bring to the turnstile, that just means you can go right on in to our park. Every one of those archways you'll find a turnstile.
Here's Diana, the movie star, walking up to the awards show, posing for pictures.
If you need a place to store some of your things, lockers are located just inside the main entrance, on the right-hand side. Also available just inside the main gate are rental wheelchairs and strollers.
It's just one of the perks you get with the Universal VIP experience. Folks, this is the tour that we create for celebrities and foreign dignitaries when they come to visit Universal Studios. Normally we sold out in the middle of the tour, having other seats left available for our last VIP tour today. But this is all together. Get out of the tour, you can walk around a real section where you can Captain America.
Wow, look at that huge guitar. So we're here in Universal Studios and with the Hard Rock Cafe. Unfortunately, Diana likes pop. That's her waving her hands there. Okay. So she can't go in because she likes pop, but she can still pose next to the guitar.
King Kong.
Yeah, there's King Kong. Ooh. Your hand's way off. There you go. Oh no, that's disgusting, Diana. You're touching King Kong in inappropriate places.
So it's funny. We just make it on.
Hot. I'm telling you, today's a nice day. It's usually hotter than this in summer. But the good thing about the weather here is it's always dry. It's not humid. So it's humid in England, isn't it? Yes. Really humid during the summer. And here's some you should pick one and put it in your hair. Okay, I'll do it. Oops. Look, you can fly there, see? You want to go fly?
No, I'm afraid.
I wouldn't do it because someone's got to hold you the whole time, so it's no fun. If you could go in by yourself, I'd totally do it. But if someone's gonna have to hold you the whole time, it's kind of dumb, I think.